In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TradingView charts. If you've ever wished you could change a symbol on one chart and have your other charts follow automatically, this is exactly what you're looking for. Before we begin, a quick note. This feature is only available in the TradingView desktop app, and not every web version supports it. If you don't see the options I describe, make sure you're using the desktop application. Linking charts in TradingView is done through color tags on your chart tabs. Think of color tags like group labels. Any tabs that share the same color tag become linked, so when you switch the symbol on one of them, all the others in that color group update to the same symbol. This is perfect when you monitor multiple layouts, compare time frames side by side, or keep different studies on separate tabs but want their symbols to stay in sync. Here's how to set it up. Locate the tab at the top of your chart. This tab shows the current symbol's name. Right-click directly on that tab title to open the tab menu. In the menu, choose a color tag. You can pick any color you like. The color itself doesn't change functionality. It simply defines the group. Once you've applied a color to that first tab, move to each additional tab you want linked and repeat the same action. Right-click the tab title and select the exact same color tag. That's it. You've just created a linked set of tabs. Now, test it to make sure it's working. On any one of the linked tabs, change the symbol in the symbol search box as you normally would. As soon as you confirm the new symbol, the other tabs with the identical color tag should update automatically. If a tab doesn't follow, double-check that it has the same color tag and that you're indeed in the desktop app. It's easy to accidentally assign a different color or be in a window that isn't linked. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Use colors consistently, maybe blue for your main analysis set and red for your alternative layout, so you always know which tabs move together. If you need a tab to remain independent, simply leave it untagged or assign it a different color. And if you're organizing multiple workspaces, remember that links are determined by the color tags on the tabs you're viewing. So a quick glance at the color highlights tells you what will sync. That's all there is to it. Right-click the tab title, choose a color tag, apply that same color to other tabs you want linked, and enjoy synchronized symbol changes across your charts.